This is an amazing cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream formula, which I'm going to share with you. It has such a good anti-wrinkle and lifting effect on your face every morning. It's all natural, made out of natural ingredients, and there is no chemical used in the making of this cream. You can just easily make it at your home and enjoy the benefits. The list of the ingredients are at the description box of this video, and there is a shopping link for all the ingredients I have used for this cream. In a heat-proof jar, add the rose hydrosol or rose water. To that, add the distilled water. And set the jar aside. To the second heat-proof jar, add the emulsifying wax, as well as the Wheatgerm oil and castor oil. Place the two jars inside a pan and place the pan over the heat. Pour 2 cups of water inside the pan. Set the temperature to low and let the water to start simmer until the emulsifying wax completely melts inside the oils. This process takes about 20 minutes. Please don't increase the heat in order to melt it fast. After the wax is completely melted, remove the 2 jars from the pan. Pour the content of water inside the content of oil, stirring continuously until the content of the water mixes very well with the content of the oil. Keep on stirring the cream once in a while until the cream is not very hot and it's just warm to the touch of the hand. Once the cream is warm, add the rosewood essential oil drops and stir well. Then add the frankincense oil, as well as the Geranium Essential Oil, and stir well. Then add the preservative. Preservative makes the cream to stay for a longer shelf period, about 1 year. If you don't use the preservative, you should place this cream inside the fridge and use it within 2 weeks. Add the vitamin E oil. Mix everything well, and that's it, your cream is ready. Keep stirring it once in a while until it gets cool. You can pour the cream once it's little liquidy form inside the container you like to having it uniformly filled, or you can let the cream to have a thicker consistency once it gets cooler, and then you can transfer it to the jar. You should let the cream to cool down completely before the use. This is a very smooth and beautiful and nice smelling cream. You can use it every morning and enjoy it.